Hey, do you want to be like this guy that just started posting YouTube shorts and got over 10,000 views in the first month? It's really cool is that? Because a month ago, YouTube just announced a $100 million fund to top YouTube shorts creators over the year 2021 to 22. So if you want to make some of that YouTube money, you can do this without being on camera. You can start this without any investment for free. And you can do this if you have no experience or skill. So in this journey I'm gonna show you 3 different channels that are getting hundreds of thousands of views with YouTube shorts. And I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do that step by step. Anywhere in the world, and even if you have never made a single YouTube shorts before. And I know, I can't bribe you with $1 million. So I'm gonna show you a way that you can money starting from day one. Before getting into the video, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any updates. So the first question is, what is the best niche for YouTube shorts? Before getting the answer, keep these 3 things in mind. Your niche should be highly scalable, evergreen, and less competitive. So these are the top 5 YouTube shorts niches that I have researched. Welcome back to my computer again, it's nice to have you here. I'm gonna show you first like a couple of different channels that are doing this, as well as TikTok or Instagram, because both of them is pretty closest to YouTube shorts that we have, and there's a lot more opportunity for you on YouTube shorts, because TikTok has already been around for a long time and you can tap into that and get faster results. I'm about to show a couple of different channels right now and then show you step by step exactly how you can do this. So the first channel I'm going to show you is Blossom Fact. The special thing about this channel is they started this channel before a few weeks and their channel's lifetime is not even a month. Let me show you something exciting. Just click on their videos, you can see that they are uploading just some random fact images, just aligning it, adding some effects, and putting some background music, and that way they're making an entire video. Take a look at this. Their first video has been uploaded last month and got about 300,000 views. This one also got a 300,000 views, and both of these videos got about 450,000 views. Take a look at their thumbnails. They're posting interesting facts and ask some weird questions like, why girls don't have beard, which engages the viewer to click it because they want to know the answer. But they will not post the answer in the beginning of the video. Instead, they will place it halfway between, or at the end of the video, ensuring that viewers watch the complete video for the answer. Now you know what this channel is doing. Do you want to know how much they are making just by posting videos like this? To check it, click on the Social Blade extension, or you can use their website. This is a tool which helps us to find analytics of any social media account. So, we have to paste the username here to get the analytics, so copy it and paste it here. It takes a couple of seconds to bring up the results. Cool, let's see what we got. So we have the Social Blade rank, the subscriber rank, views rank, and the country. So this channel is earning about 4,000 grand every month, which is around 50,000 grand a year. And they got 1 million views in the past month. But that's not their best performance either. Down 70%. I'm so wondering that, how these channels get around 50,000 grand a year. Now let's check their video views. They got more than 100,000 views, 100,000 views, 90,000, 150,000, and again 40,000, 42,000, 62,000, and again a 100,000. In total we got 1 million views, but did you see this? 2 of their video performances are poor, but this one was way too bad because they lost 1 million views. Which could have happened either because they have a copyright strike and their video is taken down by YouTube, or of bad engagement rate. So here are their video views and subscribers graph. They got around 1,500 subscribers in a single month, which is really cool. So that's all about this channel. Hope you guys get a ton of value from this. Secondly, I'm gonna show you an Instagram page which is called Psychofact. Let's check their reels. You'll be surprised to know what they are doing. Crying fact. Psychology says, crying is how your body speaks when your mouth can't explain the pain you feel. Got the idea? They used a stock footage, and adding some non-copyright music behind it, and putting some facts like this. And this video is boy fact. And famous people who are still virgins. And this video has got nearly 40,000 views. These kinds of titles which people want to engage themselves in. Check out this video. Things girls find disrespectful in a relationship. This video has got 8,500 likes and got nearly 100,000 views. So, the first point is texting your ex. Liking pictures of half-naked girls. Telling about your problems to a third person. Well, I have to take notes about it. Which might help me in the future, cause I don't have a girlfriend right now. Let's check out more. This one, every girl has that one person they'll always like. I can't figure what he says. If you understand, please let me know in the comments. Let's check their video analytics. Here we have the engagement rate, average likes, their followers for the last 30 days. And their consistency, like how frequent do they post. And they're getting hundreds of followers just by doing this simple videos. These graphs shows the monthly gaining of followers and following, and how recent do they post. Last but not least, I'll show you a page called Couples Meters. So what these guys are doing is, they use other people's Instagram Reels, or take videos from TikTok and post it here. But they will not get copyright claims, because they have permission to use this video. Or they give credits to the video owners in the description. Let's check out their videos. Now, this could be a TikTok or Instagram video. They make some edits and re-uploaded it again. See this video. They have posted someone else's TikTok video, and the admin doesn't give credits to the video owner. Now, this video might get a copyright strike if the owner sees it. Now let's check the analytics. Nothing much about this page. The same graphs and the followers table and nothing else. This account is inactive for the past month. Now let's see how you can make one like this. Go to pexels.com. It's a website where you can find free stock videos and images. But I recommend Pixabay. Click on videos. And my favorite is drone footage. So you can use one of these videos for your YouTube shorts. Here it says, free for commercial use. No attribution required, which means you have the right to use this video as your own, and you don't need to credit the owner. So click on download. Now find some quotes like they have. I like this one. I'll use it. Now head over to YouTube audio library and search for romanticmusic.so. Click on the filters. Select mood. And here, select romantic, select a song that you want to use for. Download it and let's open up our editor to edit this video. So the one I'm using right now is called Hit Film Express. Click on New Project. It takes a couple of seconds to load. Now click on this icon. Select Instagram Square. Now import the files. Once you have that imported, drag them and put them here. Adjust the video for the current size and check it. So now it's working perfectly, but the audio duration is too longer than the video duration. So let's crop it out. Now we can add the text. In my case, I already have the text files ready and edited. So I'm just gonna import it. Here I have my title and I have my quote next to it. Just drag them on top of the video, and place them where you want. done, I want to adjust the timing of the quote, cause I don't want to appear it from the beginning of the video. Let us check our video. So now give the title. And in the description make sure you put hashtag shorts to make it work. Thumbnails are not important for shorts, but don't forget to add it to a playlist. The most important thing is tags. Make sure you add relevant tags for your content. Here change the category to entertainment. Let me show you another way of making money. Head over to Digistore24. Create an account or just log in. Now go to Marketplace. Now go to Dating and Relationship column. Select a product you want to promote, copy YPUR affiliate link. Head over to bit.ly and get your link shortened. Let's check if 'tis working perfectly. Now head over to your description and type in guys click here. And girls click here. When someone buys this product, you'll get a commission. When you are done, publish your video. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give me a like if you find this content useful and don't forget to subscribe my channel.